Hello student, our today's topic is animals and birds names. Let's start with animals names. Our first animal name is dog, D-O-G dog. Second is cat, C-A-T cat. Third is donkey, D-U-N-K-E-Y. Fourth is horse, H-O-R-S-E horse. Fifth is monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y monkey. Fifth is buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Our sixth is cow, C-O-W cow. Next is deer, D-E-E-R deer. Next is lion, L-I-O-N. Next is bear, B-E-A-R. Next is tiger, T-I-G-E-R. Next is squirrel, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Next is panda, P-A-N-D-A panda. Next is rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T rabbit. Next is turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E. Students, these are animals names. Now we will start birds names. Let's start with sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W sparrow. Next is peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Next is parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T parrot. Next is crow, C-R-O-W crow. Next is owl, O-W-L owl. Next is robin, R-O-B-B-I-N. Next is hen, H-E-N hen. Next is duck, D-U-C-K duck. Next is woodpecker, W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R woodpecker. Next is kingfisher, K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R kingfisher. Next is pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N pigeon. Next is dove, D-O-V-E dove. Next is penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Next is ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Next is eagle, E-A-G-L-E.